In today's video, we are going to show you how to save a file in iLovePDF. If you're using iLovePDF to merge, split, compress, or edit any PDF files, of course, you'll eventually need to save your finished document. So start by logging in using your credentials. Once you are on the home page, you need to select the PDF that you wanted to edit. For example, you see there is the all PDF tools on the top menu. Let's say we are going to split a PDF. If you click on it, you will be asked to select the PDF file in your computer, or you can simply drop the PDF in this section. Now, after completing your edits, click the main action button to process the file, which can be found at the bottom right corner. Click the split PDF. You see, you have options to save it. Most browsers will automatically save the file to your downloads folder unless you've configured a different save location. And then all I have to do now is click the save button. It's super simple. And basically that's it for today's video on how to save a file in iLovePDF. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.